Ki Pulit kejala kelio ban kem ya langut ki dukot jangka we ke kenhun ke Nonglute harengkat bat kitiar kat ba we pat ubadairu dukot barim jangka echnasi ubla yo lat ban pet krat hadin bagi laluti na we kelong kemi na ba pen apestol na yeng sa jangka kini ke jingsha aluti kelaja hakisnong plangwan broy kabadan sharum kamausen ram ha east Khasi district ha kabaki sangut ki senar Nonglute kelawan na we ke taksi kamai kabadan yu number ML not sandi lai ar pra bat ban ledrung syaka yeng jongka kong darish darap thap bat ban luti lai pho hajar naka dak ba pen ap pistol Maria yo jing tep halor kani ki Pulit kila her mar syaka te jaka bat ru ban penlong ya jing talasi kali haka surok dangar mausun ram bat kali obat ya kate taksi haka snong Pomblang ka bahap apo dangar police outpost kini kila ngut ki blasha kem ki kentup yu pensyairani ubade we ni kisnan Nonglute ubaladon keti haki babun ba ki kamtu bat luti ubarabor namsa bat uraj jamatia habaikan bigilat patai kubor uba VVXM Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills ulong baka jingla ki Pulit banyak kem no ya kiti runar kala long ka ba job namar ka jing ajing tep ka ba marmar de ki pat ba se ki Pulit ulai tu ru bagini baro sangut ki de ki blasha kem teng haki babun ki kamtu kamluti bat bagi de ki snar haki kam runar.
Last night, 4 people came in a local taxi, ML05D3288 from Shillong, and they were heading towards Mausunram. At Plangwan Broy, just after you cross Mausunram, at about 8 p.m. these people entered the house of one Shrimati Darishda Rathap, 46 years, and they looted around rupees 30,000 from her at gunpoint. This group then fled towards Dangar. And on immediately being informed by about the incident to OC Mausunram SI Sunil Kataria, his team moved towards Pangwan Broy, and he also instructed the IC Dangar SI JB Tongwa to conduct vehicle checking on the Dangar Mausunram road. At about between 9 to 10. The Dangar police team under SI JB Tangwa intercepted a local taxi at Pomblang. This Pomblang village falls under Dangar outpost, and 3 people were nabbed: Pinchai Rani, Barabor Namsao, and Raj Jamatia. However, Sinchar Thongni, as soon as he saw the police party, he fled the scene towards the jungle. From the possession, 1 9mm pistol along with a magazine, 4 9mm rounds, 1 plastic toy gun, and cash rupees 6,660, and this was seized from them. Police is still on to nab the culprits, and one thing is I'd like to mention out here is that how the police was actually able to nab here was because of the immediate information given by the public, and that's how they could nab them. All these four actually are hardcore criminals who've been involved in robbery and theft. Pinchai Rani, just for your information, who's also called Pinchai Kharbani, has been involved in 21 cases so far of robbery and theft. And following this act, which is the 22nd case, a case has been registered in Mausunram under section 392 and 566 Redwood section 25 Arms Act. Sincharlang Thongni, he was an ex-HNLC member. He was arrested earlier for murder and robbery. He was also arrested in Mokrawat last year while trying to help the HNLC in the activities. So efforts are on right now to nab this person.